All right, so to engage the park assist system, we have a button down here. So just hit the P with the steering wheel. And in front of me, it's gonna demonstrate that I need to move the vehicle forward. So put the vehicle in drive, and now let's start creeping forward. Keep your eye on the screen in front of you, so as you start creeping forward, it's gonna locate the spot on our right side where we need to reverse park. And eventually it's gonna tell me right about now. So now it's telling me to reverse park the vehicle, put the vehicle in reverse. I control the brake and the speed, it controls the steering wheel, so basically let it go. There's a jet on my back left corner, so it's going to tell me to stop. Put it back into drive, straighten it out, put it back in reverse, and let it go. And let's just straighten itself off, and now you're good to go.